y'all? LA Appliance Guy here. We got in a pretty new Whirlpool, like 6-7 months old. It's not watching, so let's hook it up and run it and see what's going on. And if you haven't already done it, hit that like and subscribe. Let's try and make it to 900 before Halloween. Ooh. Pretty Whirlpool. Whoa! Thing still smells new. Crazy. Worst part about dishwashers is hooking them up. You gotta find a drain hose and water and power. All right, quick dishwasher truck talk. Dishwashers take a beating, man. And sometimes when they come in, they are trashed. But like, I just replaced my dishwasher about 5-6 months ago. I almost got this Whirlpool, but I ended up going with the Frigidaire, almost exactly like what we had in there. And all my other appliances are Frigidaire, so it just made sense. But my dishwasher was 8 years old and the racks were already starting to rust. The door switch had burned in those Frigidaires. They burned, and so it was a Sunday. I didn't have a switch. I clipped the wires, hot wired it, so when you open the door of my dishwasher, it would stay pumping water. My wife, oh, she puts up with a lot of crap from me. But I finally broke down and got a new dishwasher. But man, when they come in, sometimes they're just too far gone. Truck dishwasher talk over. All right. Get some power to it. Don't put the green to the black. Black to black. White to white. Green to nothing. The most important wire. Drain. Alright, sorry for the nasally snot voice, but I'm just putting some hoses together here so I could get 3/4 down to the bottom. Dishwashers used to all be 3/8 inlet valves. Now they've gone back to the 3/4 and make you buy a 3/8 fitting. Something like this, and they don't tell you that you need it. So you go to install it, and you're like, oh, this is cool, 3/8 to 3/4. Why didn't you tell me I needed an adapter? I would have just bought it. $5, $10 or not, who cares? This to this. Don't you strip it, pink fingernail man. All right. Okay, here we go. Alright, the drain pump kicked on, but there's no water. There it goes. Should fill with water here soon. That's the drain pump. That's the wash pump. Come on. There we go. Now we're filling. I was told it wasn't washing. I think I hear it bumping. Yep. Might be some debris in there. See if we're getting juice. Without getting lit up. 1, 2. 66. Huh? Oh, I got it. There it is. 115. There we go. All right. Let's just drain her out then. Draining good. All right. All right. Guess we'll let it finish up. Ooh, coffee is life. So I made this little jumper one time out of a unit that had a bad control board, or maybe it had bad racks, I can't remember, but we'll bench test it just for the heck of it. I just like to see it. Oh, it stopped. Better cover this baby up because it's brand new.
All right, we got it leaned over, now we can test our crap. Let's see, where's the tab? There it is. There's a tab right here to push and twist. Let's see. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. No debris. Barely any play. What the heck?
All right, here's our little Jumperino. Try not to shoot no fire or shock me. Yep. 110, and she is not running. Oh yeah. She gone. Wow, it's actually running. Dumbest thing ever. This thing used to be $250. Now, they changed the number and it's 80. How that makes sense, I don't know. But that's Whirlpool for you. All right. You get the whole thing, but I do not change these hoses or housings unless they're leaking, because that donut seal right there is a pain, and the pump comes with a new seal for the motor, so we'll slap it in there in just 2 seconds. See, there's the tab. go. There we go. There we go. New seal. Let's do it. Now that's what it's supposed to sound like. Yeah. There it goes. Washing like a champ. That says made in Mexico, but the box says made in the USA. So which is it? I mean, I don't care where it's made as long as it works. You can make it down in Antarctica if you're gonna ship it up to me. But which one is it? Made in the US? Box made in the US? Part made in Mexico? Assembled in the US? Who knows? But my question is why it went from $200 something, change the number, 80. Half the problem with dishwashers is it takes so long to run the dang things. Clean. All right, we got clean dishes. Well, that was a quick pump change on a Whirlpool dishwasher. That was like 6-7 months old. But they have a few different types of these motors. But I mean, it wasn't very long ago that these motors were actually very expensive. Like buying a new dishwasher expensive. And that's the thing about dishwashers is like when they get to a certain age, racks start to deteriorate and break, and you know, it's sometimes not worth fixing. A lot of times it's either minor or major. Now that this motor is actually, you know, a decent price, you can fix some of them. And you know, like we've talked about before, Whirlpool owns Maytag, KitchenAid, and a lot of those other brands, Amana, you know, so they use a couple different ones of these little motors. But yeah, if that helped any, give me a like, subscribe, share the video, and comment. Leave me a comment, positive feedback. Love positive feedback. And oh yeah, I don't like to change those hoses or the donut seal there if I don't have to, because it's best to leave it factory as long as possible. You know, obviously if there's a leak, then you address it. But since that was just an easy twist on, twist off, that'll be our keyword. And the keyword is what you put down in the comments to show that you are a trooper and you made it all the way to the end of the video. So keyword is twisty or twister. Let's see if we can hit 900 by Halloween. I kind of doubt it, but that's a good little milestone there. And about a week away, so let's give it a shot. I appreciate y'all riding with me through this one. Y'all give me a like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow. Have a great day. Remember to give it the twister. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.